You've seen the meme. Now let's discuss the reality of digital marketing training. Here are 5 ways this no-cost program stands out. 1. Faceless Content Academy. Create income without showing your face. 2. YouTube Marketing Mastery. Grow a massive audience, no tech skills needed. 3. Viral Clipping Techniques. Craft content that spreads like wildfire. 4. Bridge Marketing Strategies. Connect offerings to keen customers efficiently. 5. Meta Advertising Secrets. Scale your business with Facebook and Instagram ads. But that's not all. This program includes a free affiliate program, multiplying your income streams without extra work. Taught by 7- and 8-figure earners, this isn't theoretical fluff. It's real-world, actionable knowledge that gives results. Over 40 hours of top-tier training, all at zero cost. No catch, no hidden fees, just pure value. Join at no cost and improve your digital marketing skills today.